Hi, this is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. Today I am going to make Mughlai Paratha. This dish I had long time back in one of the roadside eateries in West Bengal and ever since I have been making. This does not have many steps but it requires a little bit of skill. But nevertheless I want you to try it because it's very tasty. I am going to begin by making the dough because it needs to rest for a while before flattening. I am taking 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil. I am going to add a cup of water little by little as I knead it into a stiff dough. I'm going to cover this and keep it aside. Now I'm going to chop a few ingredients as topping. I'm going to finely chop 1 onion, four green chilies, a handful of coriander leaves and 1 tomato. For the stuffing, I am going to grate about 200 grams of paneer. I am going to heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet and add the paneer to it. It doesn't matter if the oil isn't hot. I am going to put 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and saute until you get this slightly dry texture. This is done. To make the paratha, I am going to flatten this dough ball to about 10 to 11 inches. It has to be thin enough that you can just barely see through it. There are 3 ways to assemble the paratha. The first way is to place the roti on the pan. I am going to put a few spoons of paneer in the center. On top of this, I am going to sprinkle finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomatoes, finely chopped green chilies, 2 pinches of salt and finely chopped coriander leaves and fold it. Now I am going to switch on the heat. I am going to brush some oil on it. Make sure to get the sides. I am going to wait till the bottom gets a little firm and flip it over. Now I am going to cook this over a medium heat until the paratha is completely cooked. This is done. Once the pan is hot, you cannot assemble there. So then you can use 2 pans in rotation. Use the second while the first cools down. The second way is to assemble outside, lift it and then place it on the tawa. The third way is to assemble on a plate and and slide it onto the tawa. If you have put an egg on top, see how the consistency should be in the chicken version. So that was my Paneer Mughlai Paratha. If you want to know the chicken version of it, please press the link below. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like the video, please press the like button. And if you want to see more such videos, please subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.